retrieval, please.
Can I have your record locator?
V3 KK8J.
Just to confirm, Victor 3 Kilo Kilo 8 Juliet. What about?
Can I have a recap, please?
This booking to confirm for Alfonso Byron Vince. Surname spelled out as Alpha Lima Foxtrot Oscar November Sierra Oscar. First name spelled out as Whiskey Yankee Romeo Oscar November Victor India November Charlie Echo. Philippine Airlines Flight 428 Economy Class, leaving on September 1, Manila to Taiwan. Departure time is 11:30 a.m. and estimated arrival time is 2 p.m. Then for returning flight, it's Philippine Airlines Flight 429 Economy Class and returning on September 10, Taiwan to Manila. Departure time 8:30 a.m. and estimated arrival time is 1 p.m. To be ticketed out on August 30. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.